short video here. I bought this horrible 90-pound switch magnet on Harbor Freight, which, as you can see, doesn't even like. I don't know what worst mode is. This one, where it doesn't even like. Okay, this side works pretty good. Okay, we'll give it credit. Like this works good. Like this, I mean, I shouldn't be able to do that. Like this, this, it's got a little more tug to it. On the other hand, I bought this at a garage, not a garage sale, antique store. This on there, all that, and look, I can't even move this thing. It's $30 used for, mind you, I got a dial indicator I got to get for it. And like, really now, you know what I mean? Like, look, this has more pull than a $30-something magnet. Come on, Harbor Freight. Like, they told me I could return it. I have 90 days. I mean, look at this shit. This is a switch magnet. I mean, I just wanted to see it was cheap. It's not $69, and it was, you know, see if it would be worth it. Apparently, I got jacked. This, on the other hand, I can't even pull the goddamn thing off. I can't even grab this fucking. There we go. See, that is a magnet. This comes off a hell of a lot. This one comes off a hell of a lot easier than this one. So, folks, if you do get one of these, I hope you get the good version. Anyway, thanks. Hope you enjoyed the video. That was my little magnet session. Thank you.